In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in DocuSign. To get started, open DocuSign and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top area of the page for your profile icon. This is where DocuSign keeps your personal account options and settings. Click on the profile icon, then choose Manage Profile. This will take you to the section of your account where you can review and update your personal details. If you're making any account level changes, this is usually the place you'll need to visit. Once you're in the account settings area, go to the My Profile tab. This tab contains your basic account information, including the details tied directly to your login and identity. If you ever need to update personal information in DocuSign, this section is especially important because it gives you access to those core account settings. In the My Profile section, find the option labeled Update next to your email address and click it. In some cases, DocuSign may ask you to log in again before allowing you to continue. This is a normal security step designed to protect your account. If that happens and you see an option to remember the device, you can select it if appropriate for your situation. If DocuSign already recognizes your session, the update window may open immediately without asking you to sign in again. When the pop-up appears, take a moment to read the message on the screen. DocuSign is letting you know that changing your email address will update the address associated with your account, and that verification is required before the change is completed. This helps confirm that you have access to the new email address and prevents unauthorized changes. Next, enter your new email address carefully. It's a good idea to double check for spelling mistakes before moving on, because the verification code will be sent to the address you type here. If there's an error, you may not receive the code. After that, click Send Code. Once the email address is entered correctly, DocuSign will send a verification code to that new inbox. You'll need to retrieve the code from your email and use it to confirm the change. This verification step is what finalizes the update and proves that the new email belongs to you. Once the code has been verified successfully, your new email address is ready to use in DocuSign. From that point forward, it becomes the updated email connected to your account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address in DocuSign. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process quick and easy to follow.